Hello everyone and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to give you the immediate steps to take after your ad account is disabled. If your Facebook ad account is disabled, the first step is to discover why. Review your ad content and identify potential policy violations. Gather any necessary information, such as order IDs, copies of ads, or creative assets. This information will be needed when submitting an appeal. When reviewing your ad content, look for any potential policy violations. Facebook ads policies include specific guidelines that ads must follow. Violating these policies can result in account disabling. Take note of that, what went wrong, and make any necessary adjustments for future ads. Identifying potential policy violations is essential when trying to address account disabling. One common violation is not having appropriate language, images, or videos. Facebook may also consider ads to be deceptive or promote illegal activities. When submitting an appeal, you'll need to include the appropriate information. This may include order IDs, copies of ads, creative assets, or explanations of the promotions you were running. Make sure to carefully gather all the information needed to prepare your appeal. After gathering all the necessary information, you can submit an appeal to Facebook. This process involves explaining why your account should not have been disabled and providing evidence to support this explanation. Now let's see how to submit an appeal. To submit an appeal, go to your Facebook Ads Manager, select Help option, and click on Contact Us. Choose the option to appeal a disapproved ad or a disabled ad account. Briefly explain why you believe your account should not have been disabled. Then attach any supporting evidence or files. When submitting your appeal, make sure to provide a detailed explanation of why you believe your account should not have been disabled. Include any supporting evidence or files, such as screenshots or receipts that may help your case. Being polite and professional when communicating with Facebook's support team is also essential. When submitting your appeal, make sure to be concise and easy to understand. Provide clear evidence that shows why your account shouldn't have been disabled. Remember to be polite and professional when communicating with Facebook's support team. Preventing future account disabling is essential, and here are some steps you can take. 1. Staying up to date with Facebook's ad policies. Facebook's ad policies often change, so staying up to date with the latest policy updates is essential. This will help you avoid violations and prevent future account disabling. Regularly monitoring your ad performance. Monitor your ad performance can help identify any potential policy violations. Before they become an issue, you can spot any content that goes against Facebook's guidelines by monitoring your ads and make the necessary changes. Implementing best practices for Facebook advertising. Implementing best practices for Facebook advertising can also help prevent account disabling. This includes ensuring your ads are accurate, truthful, and appropriate for your target audience. You should also avoid using clickbait, misleading headlines, or spammy content. Implementing these best practices can help you run successful campaigns while avoiding account disabling. Just do this, guys, and your account will go up and running again. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel for more.